This space has given me so many incredible opportunities. I've been able to participate in various competitions, in robotics, coding, programming, soldering, and without this space I wouldn't have been able to learn all of those skills, make all of those connections.
You're able to create things that you're not able to in a normal classroom. You're able to innovate beyond just normal boundaries.
Having this new space is definitely amazing, and it's allowed the program to grow. This room allows them to be more creative and really experience what it's like to be an engineer before they actually make it to college.
I was in meetings with the architects. It was really fascinating to be part of the process. My student scores have skyrocketed over the years by having the right kind of environment for that, and that's this classroom.
We went from having a very small lab to a lab that accommodates all of our students. Seeing the grades that have gone up, students are more actively engaged in the class.
One of the things that the Smart Bond has provided for us is an opportunity to get our kids engaged. Our students are much more excited about those classes that do have those hands-on opportunities. So if we can get our kids the edge on that, and when they get to college, they're prepared, that's a wonderful thing.